good morning viewers, welcome back to the breaking news with Let's Report from all around the world. And for you today, October 2nd, 2022, we bring information that's happening in this week. Now with me, Finda Restu Mulia, here is the news and details. Viewers of the post-pandemic transformation of education world can't be separated from the use of current digital technology. By maximizing digital technology, it is believed that the transformation of the education system will be better and more sustainable.
Digital technology in the field of education is believed to be one of the foundations for the transformation of a better and sustainable education system. Minister of National Education and Culture Nadiem Makarim in the second meeting of the G20 Education Working Group brought the breakthrough of the Merdeka Belajar program as the basis for developing digital technology to achieve this goal. One of them is to develop a digital platform that focuses on the world of education.
Solidarity and partnerships, organisasi penggerak. The first time ever we're designing a grant program because we realized that a lot of this tacit knowledge in education exists within organizations working in the education space.
The spokesman for the G20 Indonesia presidency, Modi Ayunda, said that the digitalization program in the world of education must also be balanced with increasing the competence of educators, especially in the field of mastery of communication and information technology. Well, that's all the news for today. Check this out at breakingnews.co for the latest update. I am Finda Restu Mulia. Thank you for watching and have a great day.